How to install custom LUTs in the Blackmagic Camera app. Want to get that high-end cinema look on your Samsung or Pixel without touching a computer? The Blackmagic Camera app for Android is a professional powerhouse, but the real secret to great footage is using custom LUTs. Today, I'm going to show you how to download and install custom lookup tables directly on your Android device so you can preview your cinematic grade while you shoot. Android's file system can be a little tricky compared to iPhone, but once you know where the Blackmagic folder lives, it's incredibly fast. Let's get your phone set up for professional color monitoring. Step 1. Find and download your LUT. Open Chrome and search for free Blackmagic LUTs, or visit a site like Fresh LUTs. Once you find a look you love, hit the download button. On Android, this will usually save a .cube file or a .zip directly to your Downloads folder. If it's a zip, just tap it in your file manager to extract the actual LUT file. Step 2. Locate the Blackmagic folder. Open your preferred file manager app like Google Files or Samsung My Files. Navigate to your internal storage, then find the Documents folder. Inside Documents, you should see a folder named Blackmagic Camera. This is the app's dedicated home for your media and settings. Step 3. Move the LUT. Go back to your Downloads folder, find your .cube file, and select Move or Copy. Now navigate back to Internal Storage Documents, Blackmagic Camera. Inside here, you'll see a folder named LUT. Open it and paste your file there. Android 14 and 15 might ask for permission to access this folder. Just hit Allow. Step 4. Activate in the app. Open the Blackmagic Camera app. Tap the Settings gear, navigate to the LUTs tab, and you should see your newly added LUT right there in the list. Tap it to select it, then go to your monitor settings and make sure Display LUT is toggled to On. Your screen will instantly transform from a flat image to a cinematic one. Pro tip: if you're using a phone that supports a log color space, like the newer Samsung Ultras, make sure your color space in Settings matches your LUT. If you use a log to Rec 709 LUT on a standard video profile, it will look way too contrasty. Always match your LUT to the profile you're actually shooting in for the most accurate preview. And that's it. You've just turned your Android phone into a professional cinema monitor. If this tutorial helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mobile filmmaking breakdowns.